Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Today, we're going to talk about perimeter. First, let us try to understand what is a perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around a shape. You can find the perimeter of a shape by adding all of the sides that will tell you what the distance around the shape is. Perimeter is a measure of distance or length. It can be measured in units like inches, meters, centimeters, or miles. Now let's practice finding the perimeter. Look at this triangle. All three sides are of the same length and each side measured 10 centimeters. Now, remember, to find the perimeter of a shape, we need to know the distance around the whole shape, so we just add the sides together. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 3/10, that is 30. The perimeter of this triangle is 30 centimeters. Remember, cm is an abbreviation for centimeter. Let's try this one. What is the perimeter of this shape? Well, we know that the perimeter is the distance around a shape. Find the perimeter by adding the length of all the sides together. So let's add the sides together. That is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That is 4 times 5 is 20. So the perimeter of this shape is 20 centimeters. Remember, you can find the perimeter of a shape by just adding all of the sides together. Now, let's try out these questions from your exercise. It says, each of the shapes below was made using 4 of the squares, and each of the squares is of 5 centimeters. So let's find out the perimeter of the shapes. To find the perimeter of this shape, we're going to add 5 on each side of the square length around the shape. So we add 5 4 times on the longer sides and 1 time on the shorter sides. Let's add up all this number together. We get 50. So the perimeter of the shape is 50 centimeters. Let's try another one. To find the perimeter of the shape, we're going to add 5 on each side of the square length around the shape. Remember, we find perimeter by adding all of the sides together. So let's count how many 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 5 times 10 is 50. So when we add 5 10 times, we get 50. So the perimeter of this shape is 50 centimeters. Now next we will learn how to find the missing side length when perimeter is given. Here in these questions, the perimeter of the figure is given as 24 centimeters. We have to find the missing side length. So how do we find the length for the missing side? To find the missing side length, step 1, add all of the sides you already know. That is 6 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8 is equal to 21 centimeters. Step 2, subtract from the total given perimeter. So we'll subtract 21 centimeter, the number which we already know, from the given perimeter, that is 24 centimeters. So we get 3 centimeters. So the missing side length is 3 centimeters. So that's how we find the missing side length. Remember, to find the missing side length, step 1, add all of the sides you already know. Step 2, subtract from the total given perimeter. We'll try one last question from the exercise. It says Ali is making a pattern of different sized rectangles with different color string. The pattern started like this. It has a red rectangle in the center, and then comes the blue rectangle, and then green rectangle. First, we will find the perimeter of the red rectangle, and then we will estimate the perimeters of the blue and green rectangles. Let's find the perimeter of the red rectangle. Remember, we find the perimeter by adding all of the sides together. Here, the length, that is the longer side of the red rectangle, is given as 3 cm, and the shorter side's width is of 2 cm. So we add up all these numbers to get the perimeter of the red rectangle. 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2, that is 10 centimeters. So the perimeter of the red rectangle is 10 centimeters. To find the perimeters of the blue and green rectangles, first we need to know how long all the sides of those blue and green rectangles. We know that the longer sides of this red rectangle is 3 centimeters. So we divide this into 3 sections, taking each section as 1 centimeter. The space between the red and blue rectangle and blue and green to the left and right of the longer sides of the rectangles is the same as compared with each sections of 1 centimeter. So we take each space as 1 centimeter each. It goes same for the shorter sides of the rectangles as well. When we divide the shorter sides of the red rectangle into 2 sections, taking each section as 1 centimeter, we find that the space between the red, blue and green on both sides the same. So we take each space as 1 centimeter each. So the longer side of the blue rectangle will be 3 plus 1 plus 1, that's make 5 centimeters, and for the shorter sides will be 2 plus 1 plus 1, that's make 4 centimeter, and for the longer sides of the green rectangle will be 5 plus 1 plus 1, that's make 7 centimeter, and for the shorter sides will be 4 plus 1 plus 1, that makes 6 centimeters. Now let's find the perimeter for the blue rectangle, that is by adding all of the sides together. 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4, that is 18. So the perimeter for the blue rectangle is 18 centimeters. Now we'll find the perimeter for the green rectangle, that is 7 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6, that is 26. So the perimeter for the green rectangle is 26 centimeters. So that's all for today. Till then, stay home, stay safe.